Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We post a new video every Wednesday, a vlog every Friday, so make sure y'all subscribe and hit the bell notification button so y'all don't miss out. So y'all, let's get into it. So y'all, this is the dress. I'm using the candle and the little wire for a weight. I gotta give me some weights, but I am going ahead and cut out the mesh part of the dress. And y'all, this is the dress that I talked about in a previous video that my client never came and picked up. It was actually a miscommunication, but it was so crazy how this all worked out. But I will tell y'all in a second after I explain what I'm doing right now. So right now I am hemming down the top of the skirt, and we're just gonna pin it, and then we're gonna literally sew across. But y'all, yes, this is the dress. She never came and got it because like I said, it was a miscommunication. She said she wanted one thing and I did it, and then once it was done, she didn't want it. So I guess she misunderstood what I was explaining to her or whatever. So this client that ended up getting it, she was coming to me so we can fix something that she already had, but I was not able to fix it. So I'm like, oh my god, I got this dress in the back, let's see if you can fit it. So right here I am just attaching the mesh to that same piece that we had just sewed down, and we're gonna literally just sew this together. But so she tried it on or whatever, and it fit her perfect. I literally only had to cut like a small amount of mesh off the top of the dress. So I was so grateful and thankful that she was able to fit it, and it was like it just came in clutch, like right on time. But as you can see, we just going ahead and sew it right across, and then after that I went ahead and did the collar part. We just literally hem this up so we can get a more cleaner look around the neck area. And this is what it should be looking like. And then now we're going to attach the front and the back panel together and make sure everything is where it needs to be. And I attached the tops first so we can make sure that stay. And then I did the middle. And then right here I am going in with my hot knife. I'm just showing y'all what it do. I had the wrong knife on there at first, so I went ahead and changed it, and I am using this flat iron pad that I had, but it's heat resistant, so this is perfect. If you have something like this, you can use this. If you don't, then just order you something. And I went ahead and cut that out. That's what it's looking like. And now we're going to go ahead and attach the sleeves together. And then of course what you do to one side you do to the other. And right here, this is me attaching the sides of the dress, the front and back panel together. These dresses are very time consuming, and the price has definitely went up for the next one. So right here I am just hemming up the bottom of the skirt, and I do 2 folds, and we're just going to go ahead and pin that all the way across like so. I sewed up the hems, and now I am attaching the applique to the dress. And use as many pins as you need to, for this part. And this is the final and finishing look. I hope you guys like it. She loved it and she looked super cute. Follow for more videos like this. Love you guys. Bye.